Welcome back to another video. Today we got a Tractor Supply Black Friday sale. It starts on Wednesday. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more reviews to deals. Yeah, we got some awesome deals today. Especially if you would like the waltz, we have some great deals. Alright, let's go ahead and get started with this. Alright, we got some clothing here, men's jacket. Save $30, so $30 for this one, $79 for that. We got some power washer here, Simpson vertical gas pressure washer for $299.99. And you got a 30-gallon DeWalt air compressor for $379. It's 155 psi, heavy duty, 1.6 horsepower. What is this? Yeah, if you guys ever want to get a safe, this is the time to get a safe, especially with Tractor Supply has definitely one of the best deals on safes. So we got Liberty 1776 gun safe. It's a 72.5 by 30 and then 42 in width. $1,399.99. That is a big boy right there. If you want something still pretty big but a little bit smaller, it's $579.99. It's a 30 gun reverse safe, 59 by 22 and by 28 in width. So 59 in height, 22 in length, and 28 in width. So that's a really good deal there on both of these. You got the 25 ton Country Line log splitter, $7.99. See here. You got some more clothing here, 20% off. Says Friday only specials. Doors open at 6 a.m. A lot of deals on boots, so definitely recommend that for you guys. A lot of hats, buy one get one free, or 50% off. My bad. It says buy one get one at 50% off. Any of these toys. It says save $100 in the 12-volt red Mac dump truck or the mossy oak. Definitely recommend that for the kids. Alright, Friday only special. Definitely a great deal. Like I said, Tractor Supply has one of the best deals, probably the best deals on gun safes. So definitely recommend you check this out. So this is Friday, November 29th. Doors open at 6 a.m. Store closes at 9 p.m. So Black Friday sale. You got this 24 gun Sentinel fireproof gun safe for $299.99. So just under $300. That is a whopping $200 off of the regular price. Where else can you get a deal like this? You know, that's a smoking deal there. You got a men's Justin's soft work boots. I like boots. So $69.99. What is the Simpson game cameras? $99.99. Alright, let's see if we can find some tools. It says Friday only specials. Shop Friday only online. Thursday, tractorsupply.com, Black Friday. So doors open at 6 a.m. on Friday. So right off the bat, you see here a 7,500 watt Champion dual fuel portable generator. These generators are like super expensive, and having one at $749, that's a great deal for a dual fuel. You got a Champion inverter generator for $379, another great deal there. Save $100 on this huge compressor. So it's 60-gallon DeWalt air compressor, 155 maximum psi, heavy duty, 3.7 horsepower. for $49.99. Definitely a great deal there. You got a combo kit. It's a 20 volt Black & Decker for $79.99. You got an 8-inch 28cc Pull-In Pro, $149.99. You got a 10-gallon JobSmart portable air compressor for $99.99. You got a 20 volt DeWalt grease gun with battery and charger for $179.99. You got a 1/2 inch 20 volt DeWalt Lion Impact wrench with battery and charger for $169.99. So this is definitely a great deal there. These guns are over 230, 240 bucks. Easy. Same thing with this deal. I think this is one of the best deals that they have. Probably the best. And this one, these two. Well, actually, all these are pretty good deals. 20 volt DeWalt brushless drill and impact driver combo battery charger. So that's right, guys. This is a brushless set. So we haven't seen that price before on a brushless set. We've seen it on the brushed tools, but not on the brushless. So definitely recommend that for less than 150 bucks. This is another smoking deal here. 227 piece DeWalt Mechanics Toolkit for $99.99. Definitely recommend that for you guys. You got a a Redstone electric stove, $59.99. You got a Cub Cadet 550-pound mower lift for just under 100 bucks. You got a 100-pound Manchester tank propane cylinder for $99.99. That's a big tank. You got a Coleman cart or KT196 gas engine go kart for $10.99.99. You got a 23,500 BTU Redstone convention heater for $89.99. We got a 140,000 BTU forced air heater for $199.99. You got a Husky 2-stage snow thrower for under 500 bucks. Got a Pull-In Pro chainsaw 2-cycle for just under 100 bucks. Smoking deal. These are usually 140, 180 bucks. You got a 36-inch Blackstone propane griddle. Just under 200 bucks. Definitely a great deal on that. 330 or 3,300 PSI Simpson gas pressure washer for $299, powered by Honda. So it does have a Honda engine. Wow, there's a lot of good deals. A lot of dog food. A lot of portable kettles. Chicken houses. Stoves, furnace, 20% off. 80,000 BTU master forced air heater, $149.99. Got another heater here for $69.99. This is a nice one. 1,500 Redstone black electric fireplace with tabletop heater, 49 bucks. Definitely a great deal there. Great decorations. You got more heaters down here. You got this one for 50 bucks. Great deal there. You got some more tools. A lot of tools. 30% off towing accessories. You got gear wrench 32-piece ratcheting wrench set. $69.99. It is a 32-piece. You got a 312-piece JobSmart Mechanics tool set. $149.99. You got a 3/8 by 75 feet JobSmart single arm air hose reel $59.99. Definitely a great deal there. Smoking deal. 25% off any vehicle lighting. You got a 64 gun cannon wide body safe. Wow, this is a big boy here. Definitely recommend these. All the safes from Tractor Supply are just great. I gotta get myself one of these safes. 59 inch by 40 inch, so it's a really wide one. By 24 in depth. And then we got some compressors here. 80 gallon Ingersoll Rand. 2-stage industrial for just under $1,000. We got a Porter cable, 24 gallon air compressor for $159.99. Definitely a great deal there. We got a 6-feet multi-purpose scaffolding, $129.99. You got an pneumatic swivel shop stool, $29.99. You got a Bushnell 8x32 binoculars, $79.99. Hobart handler 140. MIG welder, just under $500. 5,500 champion generator with wheel kit. 389 cc single cylinder OHV champion engine. It's under $500. Wow, you got a lot of deals here. I gotta stop by and get myself something. You got the Black Friday sale, starts Wednesday. $200 off. You got $599.99, just under $600. You got a 5x8 mesh floor trailer while supplies last. Retriever 2-door wire crates, 25% off. You got 30% off all aluminum truck boxes. If you guys haven't seen the truck boxes from Tractor Supply, stop at Tractor Supply. They got some great tractor boxes, great quality, and they even got their own brand, their own thing going on there. And those are definitely some great boxes. If you want selection, that's the way to go get them. Got save $100 on this Coleman 196cc mini bike extreme for under $500. Oh, this is a nice one too. You got a Redstone infrared rolling fireplace for $99.99. That's it for today, guys. A lot of great deals. Definitely recommend you guys check this out, this store out. Definitely Tractor Supply is a great store. They're always there. They always have whatever you need, especially for your farm, your field, your ranch, anything that's even for your house, you know, all your outdoor power equipment, chainsaws, all kinds of stuff. Anyways, go check them out. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more Black Friday deals, more tool reviews, tool deals. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.